PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease is basically a metabolic disorder which causes hormonal imbalance in female's body. It is associated with many symptoms like hair fall, excess weight gain, irregular periods, cystic ovaries, and even infertility. No doubt, it's really difficult to live with the problem like PCOD, but if we deeply look into it, we will see that it is basically not a disease, it is a disorder which has been caused due to wrong lifestyle. So we can manage it, we can control its symptoms by making necessary changes in our lifestyle or in our daily routines. Namaskar, my name is Dr. Ekta. I'm an Ayurveda doctor, a yogic lifestyle expert and a yoga teacher. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 asanas which are really effective in managing PCOD. If you will practice these asanas regularly in your daily routines, you will see that you will get immense benefit out of it, and also you'll be able to manage the symptoms of PCOD very easily. So let's get started.
Now the first asana is Dhanurasana. It is also called bow pose. Let's see what are the steps to Dhanurasana. Lie down on your stomach with your hands on the side of your body. Now slowly bend your knees and fold your legs towards your back. Try to grasp your ankles with your hands. Now inhaling, raise your head, chest and legs upward, arching your back. Also, try to keep your legs together. At this moment, you're balancing on your stomach. Retaining your breath, maintain this posture for 3 to 5 seconds. Now exhaling, slowly lower down your legs, head and chest. Release your ankles and return to the starting posture. Now the second asana is the butterfly pose. Now let's see what are the steps to butterfly pose. Sit erect with your legs outstretched and hands at the sides. Bending both your knees, bring the soles of both your feet together. Use your hands to bring the soles of the feet as close to your groin region. Now hold your feet with your hands clasping your fingers. Close your eyes, breathe normally and try to keep your spine erect. Now slowly start flapping your legs in the butterfly movements. Keep making these movements till you are comfortable and then release the posture and relax. Now the third asana is Malasana. It is also called deep squat pose. Now let's see what are the steps to Malasana. Stand erect. Maintain some distance between your feet. Keep your toes little outward. Now joining your palms in Namaste position. Inhale deeply. Now exhaling, slowly bend your knees into squatting position. And finally drop your hips down completely. Keep pressing your knees away with your elbows. Also, try to keep your spine erect and lifted. Join your palms and keep them near to your chest. Now maintain this posture for 30 to 60 seconds and then release.
Now let's look into the benefits of these 3 asanas. These 3 asanas are a great way to deal with PCOD, as these asanas stretches the pelvic region, improves its flexibility, improves the blood circulation around the reproductive organs, tone them up and regulate the hormones in the body. Also, these asanas help in releasing long-standing stress and promote relaxation, where relaxation is the key to fight PCOD. Do practice these asanas for at least 2 to 3 months regularly, along with the lifestyle modifications to get the best results. We'll meet next time with another topic. Till then, Namaskar.